Hi, this is part 4 of our FAQs in regards to fraudulent deeds in Florida. First up, what are the various scenarios and key aspects of a fraudulent deed in Florida? 1. Forgery. This occurs when someone forges a signature on a deed, making it appear as though the property owner has willingly transferred ownership or interest in the property, when in fact they have not. 2. False information. If a deed contains intentionally false statements or misrepresentations about the property, the parties involved, or other significant details, it can be considered fraudulent. 3. Undue influence or coercion. A deed obtained through undue influence where an individual is pressured, coerced, or manipulated into signing away their property can be deemed fraudulent. 4. Lack of capacity. A deed signed by an individual who lacks the legal capacity to understand the nature and consequences of the transaction, such as due to mental incapacity or being a minor, may be considered fraudulent. 5. Identity theft. This involves using someone else's identity to fraudulently transfer property. For instance, someone might pose as the property owner or use stolen personal information to execute a deed. 6. Absence of genuine consent. A deed signed under duress or where consent was not freely given can be challenged as fraudulent. 7. Improper execution or recording. Florida law has specific requirements for how deeds must be executed and recorded. Failure to adhere to these legal formalities, especially when done intentionally to mislead or defraud, can render a deed fraudulent. 8. Scams and schemes. Fraudulent deeds are often part of larger scams, such as real estate fraud, where individuals or groups intentionally deceive others for financial gain. Due to the complexity of real estate law and the serious implications of fraudulent deeds, it's important for individuals who suspect fraud to consult with the law offices of Stephen K. Hatchie, specializing in real estate law. They can provide legal advice, represent interests in court, and help navigate the legal system to address such issues.